The Google Gemini AI is really powerful, and in some ways it may be even better than ChatGPT. However, this AI is not available in Chrome OS for some reason, and that's kind of strange because the Gemini app is available in Play Store, so Android users can install it on their device. But if you search Gemini on your Chromebook device, you won't find anything. There is no Gemini official Gemini app for Chrome OS, and there is actually an info here that Google Gemini by Google LLC isn't available on Google Play Store on this device, meaning that this device or Chromebook doesn't have a native Gemini app. But if you actually update your Chromebook to the latest version, you should actually see there's going to be a Gemini icon on the launcher menu or on the shelf, and when you open it, it's going to launch the Gemini app. But this is actually just a desktop version, sorry, the web version that's turned into the desktop app on Chromebook. But I think that's perfectly fine as long as we still get all the features. There's nothing wrong with that. However, if you don't see this Gemini icon on your launcher or on your Chromebook, then you can create one by visiting gemini.google.com and then enter. And in order to get this app into your Chromebook desktop, you can click on this Chrome icon and click Paste, Save and Share, and then navigate to Create Shortcut. And you have to call this app maybe Gemini Shortcut or something. Gemini Shortcut, and click Create. So it's going to create an app, not an app, it's literally a shortcut to the web, or basically just the website version wrapped into desktop interface, but overall it's going to be functioning the same. So this is the app, which is kind of unnecessary because I already have one, but yeah, this is just for a demonstration video. So when you open it, it should launch the app via browser. So that's one way to do that. Again, not elegant, and actually the previous method, which is by using the built-in Gemini, sorry, the Gemini tool that is given via Chrome OS update, is much better here. So just make sure that you're updating your Chrome OS to the latest version, and you should be able to get or see Gemini on the launcher. So that's basically it. That's how you can get Gemini on your Chromebook device. And if you found this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Have a great day and take care.